Did you know one man's betrayal turned his entire nation's name into a curse word? In 1940, Vidkun Quisling was a respected Norwegian politician and former defense minister. But secretly, he had already contacted Hitler with an offer to deliver his homeland to the Nazis. Before the invasion even began, Quisling handed over detailed military intelligence about Norwegian defenses. He believed he was saving Norway from destruction, but he was sealing its fate. When German forces attacked, Quisling seized power exactly as planned. While his countrymen fought desperately against the occupation, he became Hitler's puppet prime minister. He forced Norwegian citizens into slave labor for the Nazi war machine. Thousands died because of his collaboration. When Norway was liberated in 1945, his own people put him on trial for treason. They condemned him to death. Today, his name means traitor in dozens of languages. One man's betrayal was so complete, it poisoned his legacy forever.